Hi, my name is Yitzhak Feldman, and I am the VP of Marketing and Sales at FTS, a global provider of policy control, charging and billing solutions for communications and content service providers. Leap Policy Control is a flexible, pre-integrated charging and policy control solution which has been designed to help service providers bridge the gap between rising data traffic and broadband revenues without impacting on the customer experience. Using easy-to-implement policy control rules which are pre-integrated with online and offline charging and the subscriber's data, Leap Policy Control dynamically manages network resources, applications, and the customer's experience. Today, we will demonstrate a personalized service tiers use case using FTS Leap Policy Control solution. Our customer Federer is subscribed to a plan that provides dedicated quotas for Facebook, YouTube, and general internet use. We will see how Federer defines by himself dynamic notification thresholds per application through his self-care portal and set specific rules to control his bandwidth usage per application. Let's see the example. A customer service representative enters the customer care module and sees Federer's details. Federer is a data subscriber having 3 services: general internet, Facebook, YouTube, each having a quota of 5 megabytes. Now we can see the customer's balances. Each application has its dedicated balance, which counts the application's quota for the current cycle. All balances are currently set to 0. Federer did not use any data services yet. Now Federer is entering his self-care portal. He is entering the My Usage tab, which provides full transparency of his data usage and allows him to set his personalized policy rules. The top part of the screen presents the customer's details, the package information, and the current balance, which is currently 0, as Federer did not start using any data services. The turbo button allows the user to temporarily increase download bandwidth in real time for an extra price. In the center, we see 3 bars. Each bar represents Federer's quota per application. For example, the monthly quota for Facebook is 5 megabytes. Facebook hasn't been used yet. Therefore, the quota used is marked as 0%. For each application, the user can set dynamic alerts, for example, when reaching 80% or 90% of his quota limit. The user can also set policy rules by his own to define what should happen when he reaches 100% of his application's monthly quota. At the bottom of the screen, the user is able to buy extra quota per specific application and to view his usage statistics. Federer's daughter Paula is now entering Facebook through her father's account. The quota used for Facebook can be viewed on the Facebook bar in the self-care portal. Federer is setting an alert to notify him when he reaches 80% of his Facebook monthly quota. A notification will be sent via email to remind him to top up his quota. Paula continues using Facebook, and the Facebook quota bar is updated. When crossing the 80% monthly quota, Federer receives an email notifying him his Facebook quota limit has reached 80% and suggesting him to top up extra quota by clicking a link. Federer is now topping up extra 5 megabytes for his Facebook quota. We see how the Facebook quota bar is automatically being updated with the new numbers. His quota is now 10 megabytes. Federer is now setting his policy rules preferences when reaching his quota limit. He wants to move to a pay-as-you-go option and keeping his existing bandwidth. Different quota usage is displayed with different color on the bar. The different colors represent the different price Federer paid per quota according to the bar legend displayed. We see that Federer is now being charged for Facebook usage after crossing his quota limit. The scenario that we have just seen can be easily implemented by the service provider's business users without the need for coding. FTS, Leap Policy Control, enables capturing events in real time and responding to them based on the pre-configured set of business policies and actions. These policies and actions are created using FTS Unique Graphical User Interface Patent Do Tree, a decision operations tree for defining business rules. FTS Do Tree enables self-sufficiency, flexibility, simplicity, and short time to market. Let's see how easily it is done. Let's enter the business planning module, where all the business rules are implemented. Here is the product catalog. We will enter the internet package and go to the Facebook service. We now enter the Facebook usage business rule, which is automatically being triggered upon Facebook usage. The Do tree on the right side includes the quota management logic for the Facebook application. Is for charge represents whether the current usage crosses the monthly quota limit, and therefore the user should be charged for the usage. If is for charge's value is no, meaning the monthly quota has not been reached yet, the tree is split according to the end time of the usage, if it is peak or off-peak hours. The last leaf includes an action in case the usage is not for charge and the usage end time is in off-peak hours. A balance action is triggered to impact the Facebook volume balance with the total volume received on the usage. This Facebook volume balance is the balance that is presented as a bar in the self-care portal. We will now open the Facebook threshold business rule. This Do tree is triggered automatically when a balance notification is defined for a customer, meaning when the customer balance reaches the predefined quota. Is blocked represents a customer indication whether the customer is allowed or not allowed to receive notifications. In case the customer is not blocked, the Do tree is split according to the Get Action. Get Action is retrieved from the customer information and is the notification type selected by the user. If we take as an example the email action, several actions are performed. Let's view all actions through the textual view. First, the message text is created with the customer-specific information. Customer information is retrieved: his email address, threshold percentage, and the balance name. An email operation is then triggered to send the customer the email with the relevant information. This short example demonstrated an implementation of personalized service tiers use case using FTS Leap Policy Control. FTS Do tree technology empowers the service provider to configure, operate, and control his business environment with minimal dependency on his solution vendor, resulting in a greater flexibility, greater independence, and thereby reducing his overall total cost of ownership, or TCO. FTS Leap Policy Control flexibility and ease of use enables the service providers to become a business enabler for offering new marketing plans and new policies with a rapid time to market and an enhanced customer experience. Thank you.